Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be going over kind of the electricals of installing a small ATV UTV winch on lawnmower, tractor, that kind of thing. So this is the winch I chose. This is a Harbor Freight Badlands 3,500 pound ATV utility winch. Let's see if we can focus on that. There it is. It's got 50 feet of cable. It's got a nice... the fair lead's okay. I think I'm going to replace it, though. But, oh well. So, I'm going to start at the front of kind of what I have going on over here. I'm going to come to the other side here. Here, I've got the actual... dash mount, I kind of want to say. And it's basically on a sheet of PVC that's bolted underneath here, and then this is the actual bolt for the switch. So it doesn't work at the moment because I don't have the tractor actually connected, but once it's, and I did that because so you can kind of see what's going on, because in order for the tractor to be connected, battery needs to be in the box because terminations are too short, sadly, but oh well. So here's the actual contactor that comes with the winch, and it's pretty simple. It's got 4 wires. All of the terminals are color coded. I'll kind of show you. See, black goes to black, that kind of stuff. So this mounts right in there next to the battery on my tractor, and it just connects straight to any battery. And there's a fuse box here, which I wrapped in electrical tape, which is temporary until I buy a box or find something I can put it in. So that's what's going on there at the moment. So basically what I've got is the battery wires come in. It's the red and black. Red and black connect to one side, the red and black terminals on the contactor, and then the yellow and blue go down through there, come out here to the winch here. And then there's also, it comes with this remote here, which has its own little plug which you can mount anywhere you really want. Here's that, which you can disconnect. A cat just got eaten by a bobcat. Food chain or food pyramid. I don't know if you heard that or not. Then there's also this red wire, which comes from up there, which that just connects in to that terminal there, which goes to that. And it's a little crowded in there because I've got a horn, turn signals, auxiliary headlights, all that kind of crap. So it's kind of a little crowded in there. And I also, this is something kind of cool I found at Ace Hardware. They're these thumb screws, and that's what I'm using to hold my panel in. I really like those thumb screws because it makes it a whole lot easier to... God, that cat is still dying. Alright, well, anyways, so that's basically it for the electrical part. It was a pretty simple electrical install, and if you guys want to see me building the actual thing that mounts back here, that houses the winch and my trunk, because it's better because someone sat on it, bending the crap out of one bracket, also breaking it. So that's being held together with some electric fence wire. So I'm going to build a solid box for that. You want to see that? Just say, like the video. Alright, so let me plug in the controller. Sorry for the horrible camera angle. I know it sucks, but there we go. Ugh. This is horrible. There we go. And I'm going to be mounting that right here, which I drilled the hole for it there. So, basically, I'm going to sit you on the tripod. A little bit back. Alright. There's also free spool, which you disconnect, you spin this dial here, and that way you can pull it out. Right? Then there's also, you can just like that. It's pretty cool. I like it. Got this with the 20% off coupon for $111. It comes with fairlead, mounting bracket, everything like that. All the wire and bits you need. It's really nice. I would definitely recommend this unit. I chose the 3,500 pound over the 2,500 pound winch because it looks more solid. You know, it doesn't have the little thing that you pull out on the end. I didn't really like that, so, you know, I didn't buy it. But yeah, overall, that's about it.